Cold process laundry bar soap making. I how I made my 1 liter laundry bar soap, long lasting soap, high foaming, strong and very friendly to skin. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. With just 1 liter, I can achieve all this soap. So to tell you, is profitable. Let's quickly run down our chemical. We have caustic soda, 180 grams for today's production. Here is our soda ash, 100 grams for today's production. And here is our fragrance. We have 10 ml. And calcium carbonate, which is 150 grams. And here is sodium sulfate, another 150 grams for today's production. And here is our oil color. Color is optional. If you want, you can add color to your product. If you want, you can leave it like that. It's an optional. Here is clean water. Clean water, 1 liter to dissolve our caustic soda. 1 liter. Then we move to our tallow. This is tallow, 400 gram. One of our oil. We are using 2 types of oil. We have PKO and tallow. Our PKO is 600 grams for today's production. All together making 1 liter of oil. Here is another clean water to dissolve our soda ash, calcium carbonate, and sulfate, and sodium sulfate, another 1 liter, all together making 2 liters. Here is foam boosters. We have 200 ml for today's production, and here is our mold. You always prepare your mold before your production. Prepare your mold before your production. Now let's quickly go into the production properly, as we have checked all the chemical required. So here is soda ash into 1 liter. Remember, I've already dissolved my caustic soda 24 hours before production. Now in a warm water, not hot water, warm, just lukewarm water, I'm dissolving my soda ash. I'm adding my sulfate into it. So you dissolve your soda ash, sulfate, and you add your calcium carbonate into it. And you make sure you stir very well. Stir it like 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you stir and everything is well dissolved. Everything is well dissolved before you continue with your production. Here is it. I stir it very well. Stir all the 3 chemicals together. They are our builders. They are going to increase the quantity of your soap. Yes, they will increase the quantity and make it heavy. So I've set it aside. Now here is my mixing bowl. You can use anything you have around you. You can use your turning stick. So here is my PKO and my tallow. You know what is tallow and you know what is PKO. PKO is palm kernel oil and tallow is beef fat, animal fat, which is beef fat. You can get it with those people, those slaughters. You take it home, you melt it, and yes, you are good to go. It's cheaper compared to PKO and palm oil. Here is my oil color. I want to add color to it, and I add a pinch of oil color. Remember, our oil is in the mixing bowl. Now I'm adding my perfume. I had my perfume 10 ml. Make sure you use original perfume. When you use original perfume in your cold process soap, honestly, it will smell out. Original perfume, make sure you get your original perfume. Undiluted perfume is good for your production. So here is my lye solution. You know what I mean by lye solution? That is my caustic soda that I've mixed in 1 liter of clean water. Now I'm adding my caustic soda into my oil. Remember, inside the oil I have my color and my fragrance. Here is me mixing it. You have to mix it together until you get to a trace level. Not thick trace, but at least let it blend together, that the water, the oil and the caustic soda can no longer separate before you add in your soda ash solution. Here is my soda ash solution. Remember, in this solution, I have my soda ash, I have my calcium, and I have my sulfate. So I'm adding it into my production. When you add it, you will look at it. Is this thing going to be thick? It's as if it's watery. Don't worry, it's going to be thick. Just continue with your production. When you add, you stir. You add it, you stir it. Now you have to stir it vigorously. You have to stir it very well. When you stir it, now I add my foaming booster into it. When you add your foaming booster, it is still going to be very light, but don't worry, just continue stirring it. So this time around, you are not going to stir it vigorously as when you add your soda ash solution. So you are going to stir it, but stir it gently. As you can see, when you stir it vigorously, it's going to have it will be foaming as far as you have added your foam booster into it. So now when you check it, you see it has got to a very trace level and it has thickened up a bit that you can turn it into your mold. Always prepare your mold before your production. So I still continue stirring it. Now it has get to a very perfect trace level and I've poured it into my mold. When you see it inside the mold, you will see that it has already gotten to a thick trace level, not all that thick. And it has gelled. Look at the face, you will see it look like a pap that has already done. That is what we call gel. It has a jelly face. You can see it. The face is shining and jelly. Now I cover it just to hasten the saponification. And when I cover it, that is after 24 hours, you unmold your soap. So here is me unmolding my soap after 24 hours. Now look at it, very, very beautiful. And it's thick and it's very, very heavy. Just take a look at it. I'm trying to unmold the second one from my mold. Don't forget to comment, share, and like. Also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when we drop another video. So this is what my 1 liter oil give me all this bar soap. You can see this bar soap. This is heavy, big soap, big soap that you can sell up to 1,000 naira, getting from just 1 liter. So you can practice it on your own. Do well to try it. You can make use of it at home. You can sell it. Is another means of getting income. At this point, like my video and comment. So let's test the foaming level of the soap. Make sure you allow your soap to cure for 3 weeks before using it. I just want to test the foaming level. If you see it now, it's still very harsh to the skin. Allow it to cure for 3 weeks before you start using it. You can see that it's foaming very well. It foams very well. It lathers well. So just follow the same step, the same procedure, and you will get the same thing just like my own. That is it for today's production. Like and share, comments, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You'll be notified as soon as I drop the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.